I just wanted to show you guys how good it looks. Let's get on with the video. So you need a thin yarn, some scissors, 0.0 mm hook, darting needle, earring hooks, and a necklace chain. So you start with a slip knot, and then you make 48 chains. After you've made your chains, you make one double crochet in the sixth chain. So count all the way to the sixth chain and make one double crochet in the sixth chain. Then you skip 2 chains and make one double crochet in the third chain. Then you chain 2 and make one double crochet in the same stitch. That's how you make your V stitch. So let's do it again. You skip 2 chains and then make one double crochet in the third chain, and then you chain 2 and make one double crochet in that same chain. So you keep repeating this pattern until you reach the very last chain. So this is how you should be looking right now. So we start the next round by chaining 1, turn our work, and then we make 7 double crochets in the chain 2 space. When you're done with your 7 double crochets, in that next small space you make a single crochet. So this is a pattern. You make 7 double crochet in the chain 2 space, and then in the next space, small space, you make a single crochet, and at the end of the row you chain 1 and leave a long tail for sewing. So this is how your piece should look like after you've done the petals. With your long tail for sewing. So we're going to roll up the project like this. We'll roll it up, roll all the petals. So it should look something like this. And then you take your darting needle, pass the yarn through, and then we're going to sew the petals together. And you have to be careful with this or else the project will scrunch up. So we start with the first petal. And then we'll turn. I'm not good at explaining the sewing part, but you can just see what I'm doing here. Then you pull it through. Then you turn your work. Just keep sewing the petals together carefully, or else your work will scrunch up. So this is how your piece should look like if you sew it correctly. And we're done. Just make 3 roses so that you can be able to add the earring hooks and the necklace chain. So this is how I add the necklace chain. I just pass it through a space at the back of the rose. Yeah, just pass it through like that and just it. That's how I make it, turn it to a necklace. So I hope you enjoyed making this, and if you don't understand anything you could ask me in the comment section. I'll try my best to explain as best as I could. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Thank you.